welcome to today's video. Today's video is actually something I wanted to club along with the rest of the friends and family reacting to our pregnancy announcement, our pregnancy news rather. And unfortunately or fortunately, that video by itself was like well over an hour. However, I did tell a select few set of subscribers about my pregnancy before I even announced on social media. The reason for this is simple. I genuinely perceive you guys as like just really good friends, especially those of you who I chat with and talk to on a regular basis. I feel very blessed, not just to I feel like my mentality is not so much of a follower mentality, it's more of a community mentality, it's more of a sisterhood mentality. And so I've had some secret lunches and meetings with a few of you over a period of time through the years. Sometimes when you guys come to Mumbai, you DM me, message me and tell me can I meet you, and whenever the time permits and logistics permit, I try and meet you. And those of you who live in Mumbai, I think I've had the chance to meet a few more times because of verified pop-ups or because of meet and greets, etc. And I'm just really grateful to have found friends, like offline friends even, in some of you. In fact, my highlighter launch for Verified, the entire collection and campaign was around the gems of my life, because the collection of citrine, topaz and morganite, our highlighters on Verified, are named, the shades are named after gems. And so I had my lovely subscribers be part of that particular collection. They are the faces of it. If you see the people that you're seeing on the Verified website under highlighter section, it's VerFam. And I feel so grateful and blessed to have the kind of love that I do. So it wouldn't have been fair for me to just have my friends and family know the news before socials. I wanted some of you to. I hope that over time there will be more of you that I will become friends with, get to meet in person and be able to tell things like this before socials even. So it's something that in fact I've been thinking about going back and restarting the Discord group. Tell me in the comments what you think about that. We used to have a very active Discord group, which is where everything and a lot of things kind of started from in terms of building this community vibe, especially in Mumbai, how we planned the secret lunch and all of that. Secret in the sense I vlogged it. I'll leave a link to that vlog down below in the description section. But like in a sense that where we made the plans. I do have a very active WhatsApp channel, so make sure you guys come join that. That link is down below in the description section always. I've made this intro very long. There are about 7 to 8 women that I shared the news with from my subscriber lot from VerFam. Let's go ahead and show you their reactions to me being pregnant before I posted on socials. अभी तक तो मैंने स्क्रीमिंग की बात भी नहीं की है, मैंने हेलो भी नहीं बोला है अभी. मैंने तब तक हेलो भी नहीं बोला है. Why are you crying?
I don't know, I just I can't believe this is real, and thank you just for being so real. Yeah.
Why are you crying? We text. You know me. I know you. I've met you. I've met your husband. You've met my mother. Why are you crying?
Sorry.
चलो मैं साथ में रुला देती हूँ, फिर मुझे बाद में अलग से नहीं रुलाना.
No, I knew, mashallah, I knew it, mashallah. Touch it, mashallah. I knew it. My gut feeling told me, but I didn't want to write it. My gut feeling, I just knew it. In fact, on your community post, when you wrote that, I wrote and I was like, should I write? Sab likh rahe, but I just didn't want to write. I just was like, I didn't want to go there. I was like, just, from my heart, जब मैंने वो मैसेज तो इंग्लिश में लिख दिया था, Anam, you won't believe, मेरे दिल से दुआ थी that या अल्लाह, just make it safe, make it happy, make it healthy, just give her the best, this is what she wants, just make it really smooth for her. And I was like, क्या पता, if I'll ever get a chance to tell you, ya Allah, I can't believe it, Anam, I knew it. My God, you know what? I actually feels like a younger with me. God,
Ameen.
God bless you and Jerry. And I'm from my heart, dil se bol rahi hu, it's going to be fantastic, easy, and my gut feeling was telling me, pata hai.
Ameen to everything you said. Ameen to everything. Inshallah to everything you said. And I feel, no, I keep saying, you're like sisters out there, friends of mine, sisters of mine. That's why I was like, कुछ लोगों को तो सोशल मीडिया के पहले ही बताना है. और ये कम्युनिटी पोस्ट ने मेरी तो पोल खोल ही दी है. कुछ पिछले 2 कॉल्स जो मैंने किए सबने यही कहा है. I'm like, ये क्या हो रहा है? मैंने क्या रिवील कर दिया रिवील करने के पहले?
Because I was like, मुझे नहीं लिखना है, इसमें नहीं लिखना. मैं
Because you didn't write it, and I appreciate that so much. Because imagine if that wasn't the case.
No, I knew this was the case. मेरे दिल से, I just wish you all the best, and I know it's going to be smooth sailing, it's going to be happy, it's going to be healthy. सब अच्छे से होगा.
Thank you.
The entire rest of the period will go very well. सब जो भी होगा ना, it's going to be fantastic.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
So
you.
you believe me, I'm really saying this, and it's not because of your makeup or anything. It's just because, I had this gut feeling that you're real. But when I met you, I met your family, एकदम real सी feeling आई. मतलब, like girl next door, like you can relate, you can talk without putting up an act, and whatever you say ना, एकदम I can close my eyes and believe it.
Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much.
I love
And that's why there were few people who I felt I had this connection with, and I was like, no, with these few people, though I don't want them to know through social media. I want them to be told
So
I have a connection.
I may not be watching all your long format videos. कुछ ना कुछ घर पे ऐसे गड़बड़ सी हो रही थी. But whenever I do that, I write long messages. फिर मुझे भी बुरा लगता है. I write such long messages. But then I was
बिल्कुल
like,
बुरा मत लगाओ. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि कोई मेरे वीडियोस पे आके अपना दिल बहला सकता है, थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता है.
कौन सा वीडियो देखा?
कौन सा?
You laugh at me. I watched your video of Nykaa matte cream lipsticks. You had like ash blonde, this much hair. You're wearing
Oh,
off shoulders,
2020.
Yes, and you're wearing lenses, and I watched the full video. Pata nahi, I was like, I just keep going back to some older videos. It just calms me down when I have some rough day. and
That's
I
why
have
I'm
time.
saying, मैं कभी ये नहीं, मुझे तो खुशी होती है कि मेरे वीडियोस किसी का दिल बहला सकते हैं, किसी को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, किसी को खुश कर सकते हैं. तो मैं प्लीज नेवर फील बैड अबाउट लीविंग लॉन्ग कमेंट्स अंडर माय वीडियोस. मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इफ आई कैन बी दैट जरिया टू मेक समवन स्माइल, देन व्हाई नॉट.
I'm so touched with this news. Tell me, when is your due date?
I'm due in Jan, inshallah. You're making me only cry. Jan, inshallah. Yeah.
And how's Jerry? How's mommy, daddy, family? Tell me.
Everyone is over the moon, and everyone is very excited, and Jerry is very excited to be a daddy. So, yeah.
I'm getting goosebumps. Or just keep her away from any buri nazar, any negativity. This is the only thing. For some people, whether you do anything or no, you just come and you put on a story. जैसे मैंने अपने आप को Instagram से boycott कर दिया था for 4 months. ऐसे ही मन किया. And then whenever I see any story, any shot, some people are कि just दिल से दुआ निकलती, you just smile.
Thank
That's
you.
what I felt.
Thank you.
I wish you all the best.
I hope I get to see you soon.
And I'm going to tell mommy also to keep you in all
Please
the
do,
duas.
please. I need all the duas and I need all the good jujus, and not just me now. The little one also needs them. So please,
Of
दे
course,
भरपूर करना.
You, your entire family, you please take very good care of yourself. Eat well. Stop eating a lot of Lays now. Whatever the doctor says, वो करो and rest well. And I know it's going to be superb.
Thank you.
It's going to be the
Thank you.
bestest time, smoothest. I'm going to keep you in all my after namaz prayers. You are going to be included with your name. सब अच्छे से होगा.
Thank you. I could not ask for more. Thank you.
I'm so emotional. Sorry.
Never say sorry.
You've given me good news after a very long time. I'm just so happy, and दिल से Allah bless you and your family, your little one. मेरा दिल कहता है, मेरी दुआ कहती है, सब बहुत अच्छे से होगा.
Thank you so much.
Just as you envisioned, वही होगा.
Inshallah. Thank you. I hope everyone is fine at your end. How's your mom? How's your husband? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Sorry, I know you're at work. Really quickly.
It's okay. Huh. I knew it. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. Oh my god. I knew it. I just didn't want to go ahead of myself. And I'm
The number of people who have said this to me is bizarre.
Abhi, I was 31st का जो video है, it would either be your house, which you already posted an Instagram story about today कि interior वो चाहिए. मतलब ये तो नहीं surprise है फिर. ये तो हो गया. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yay. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy.
Thank you. I'm so happy for you. I'm going to let you get back to work because I know I've called you nicely when you're at the office.
That's okay. I think my day is made today. I'll go back home and go sleep. Take care. Take rest. Don't exert. Do not. Now all your health issues make sense. So much sense. हमने क्या रहा है. But now I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Exert, chill, eat all the keema paos in the world.
Baby doesn't like keema pao. मुझे उसी बात का सदमा हो गया है.
ये तो ना एक तो क्या ही टाइम पास होता है. Everything is
उल्टा.
so weird.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. I have something to show you.
Yeah, please. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Adam.
Thank you. I wanted to tell you before social media.
Congratulations. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. How are you feeling?
So happy for you, Anand. So happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That keeping you away from Instagram and you're not. Just let me know if you need anything, anytime.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure I tell you before I post on socials because I'm posting online in the next 2 days.
Yes.
I will. Okay. Take care. Lots of love.
Yes. You too.
Bye. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Where's Vedika?
Yeah. You look good.
Hi, Vedika.
Yes.
Vedika is getting company. You've gone on mute. Your phone has only gone on mute.
Oh my god. I'm so psyched. I'm so
Thank
happy
you.
for you. Genuinely, truly, very, very happy for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And how far along are you? Amazing. How are you doing? You look good. But I had this feeling when you posted that picture with Jerry. But of course, I didn't want to presume anything. But I had the feeling. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm sorry, I'm a mess because I have to cook and everything. So I'm really
No,
tired
I'm calling you in home clothes. Also, you messaged me today and literally I was gonna call you today and I was like, oh my god, she's gonna live 100 years.
I thought I'd just check in because you were not well in between and
Well,
all of yours.
it's safe to say I'm very, very well.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
You know, when you put that post on YouTube, I was like, she might be pregnant, but I didn't want to say it because it's a little sensitive topic. So I was like, okay, if I say it and it goes wrong, then So I was like, oh, but I think she's pregnant.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Congratulations to Jerry as well.
Thank you. Thank you. How are you? No, my first trimester was just really rough. I was not able to keep food down. I was not able to move. I was in a lot of pain. I was just dealing with a lot of pregnancy related health issues, and unfortunately I had to keep telling everybody I had a migraine when I didn't have a migraine because I didn't know what else to tell them. But I'm literally like, this is my first week of coming back to life, and I said, okay, now is a good time.
But was this like, is it normal, like, because like first trimester stuff, or was it because of your previous
I mean, it could have, but it didn't really go on through first trimester. It went, for me, the third and fourth months were tougher. The second month, not so much. First month, though, I didn't even know. For me, the third and fourth months were like really tough. To call you out of the blue. I wanted to
Absolutely fine.
I was actually about to video call you. Do you have 5 minutes?
Yeah, please.
You're home?
Sure.
Okay, I'm calling you right now. 1 second.
Okay.
Hi!
What's happening?
How are you?
Good. How come you're so dressed?
I was filming.
Nice. You're looking nice.
Thank you. How sweet. Thank you. I had something to show you, and I wanted to call you. That's why I'm on video call.
Okay. Now I do. Ooh, wow! Congratulations!
Thank you.
So happy for you. My God, this is the best news I've heard.
Thank you.
So cute with the bump.
Thanks.
With the tight clothes. Now you're like me only. Even I used to wear all these loose clothes.
Yeah, because I haven't like announced it yet. So there were a few
Yeah.
people I wanted to tell before I announced, and obviously my wear fam is.
No wonder you're glowing so much. Really.
Thank you.
So happy for you. Really so happy for you.
Thank you.
It's so sweet of you to take out the time and to call everybody like this. Especially we are just your subscribers and friends maybe.
Of course, friends too. I feel like I've met you guys, I've hung out with you guys, and that's why there were a few of you that I talked to regularly that I was like, wait, I need to call you and tell you.
See, I told you na before, so you were looking very happy. I knew something on, but I never expected this. You know, your mind goes in all different directions. Sometimes I felt that you were sorted with your house well.
That also.
You know, mentally well with them. But this is the best news.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Something you wanted this so much, you manifested it. You
Truly.
manifested for yourself.
Truly. And I think everyone out there also who sent me lots of good jujus helped me manifest it.
Congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
Calling and making me feel so nice.
No, of course, I wanted to.
You said you called me and you showed me in such a nice way. Even of your busy schedule, you remove so much time. It's really sweet, yeah.
No, thank you for being part of everything, and hopefully I will see you in the gang in person very soon. For now, it's all vlogs. Let's try Vaishnavi next. My camera is already positioned like this for the phone, which is why I'm not bothering to change the angle. Maybe she's at work.
Hi, Anam.
Hi Vaishnavi, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. Sorry, I know this is out of the blue.
No. Of course.
Are you by
Don't
any
mind.
chance, are you at home and can I video call you?
I am at home, yes.
Can I quickly video call you?
Yes, sure.
Okay, 1 sec.
Hi.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. Sorry, I know थोड़ा random है, but I said मुझे अभी
No.
phone करना है.
Okay.
I wanted to show you something.
Okay. Oh my God! That's like the cutest thing ever. Congratulations! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm sorry, but this is too cute.
Thank you. I wanted to tell some of you before social media, so I said I'm going to make random calls today. Everyone is going to think I'm mad to be calling them in the middle of the day, but
No, but this is too cute. Oh my God! Like, God bless you. All the three of you.
oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
This just probably made my day, my month, my week, everything.
How sweet. Thank you.
I am not lying, but just today morning when I was putting on my lipstick and I was thinking of you, I'm like, it's been a while, Anam has posted. I think maybe I'll just text her or something, and I probably manifested your call.
No, I've been meaning to call you, Indrajit, like a few of you since the weekend actually, and something or the other kept coming up. And
no, it's like the best surprise ever.
I'm glad. Thank you.
And how are you doing? How are you feeling?
I'm excited. I'm finally back to feeling like myself. I was completely out of it for a while in the middle, but I'm back.
Are you comfortable in sharing how far along are you?
I'm in my 5th month.
So good, so cute.
I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope nobody feels bad about not being part of the people I called. These are just the people that happen to be top of my mind when I wanted to share the information. And like I said, I really hope that more of you get added to this list. I hope more of you become my IRL friends. I hope you know that I'm always reading, liking, hearting and responding to each and every one of those comments. I'm replying to your comments all the time, anytime I get. And it really is the best part of my day on so many days. So I thank you for that. I see you. I appreciate you so much. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on restarting the whole Discord gang down below in the comment section. I love you and I will see you in the next one. Bye.